was about to film some birds in the mall. There's some birds on this tree, right? Well, all of them went on the other tree. So let me see at the other tree if there's any here. I don't see any birds here. Let me see that spot birds. Here, there's one right there. He's over there. He's right there, one right there. Whoa. He's right there. There's someone on there. There's one. Whoa. She goes there. Oh. And it went at the other tree. He's right there.
You know what I mean? Like, yes. Yes, I do. I mean,
Oh, there's some birds there. There's a bird in the mall. I'm a little wider in the mall. Let's see, that can scare that one out.
You know what I mean? Like, so I definitely.
He's pecking on the tree.
But I still.
They are up there in the mall. I don't know how they're getting in. And the mall has the birds up there. The mall has some birds. There should not be landing around here. And there should not be here. Whoa, it scared her. So, you see she flew away. Because they get scared of us. Even they're in the building. Whoa. See her? So I don't know how is this even possible. How is this possible? I'm coming below. How is this possible?
Alcalino, árido, o sea, ¿ves? Eso. O sea, porque a veces si el agua no hay algo muy
In a conversation right now.
la cosecha,
Bird right there.
so, esos son los análisis, quizás estamos buscando
Two precious little birds
dónde
there.
se están cosechando la copa,
Then there's another tree that's
de la hiperespectral te da las tapitas de los gases, ¿ves? So,
whoa, look at that thing. What is that? What is that? Huh? What is that? That thing looks different. I don't see one of those came by here. Oh, there's a bird. A bird flew that way. I saw a bird flew that way. Where is that bird? Oh, there she is. There is she.
Exacto.
Daddy? Daddy? Is there any birds in this tree yet? Huh? Is there any birds in this tree? Because only one that I know there's birds in is that one.
One of the things I used to think in my head, at least once or twice a day, about I just want, well, I never would, but I just want like everything.
Who called? What's that, mommy? I don't know what that was.
And I know that sounds, but
Oh, there's the bird. Whoa, this is.
Nathan and Christian were a little too
That bird went up in that tree over here. Oh, I heard the bird. I heard the bird make this little sound. Was it a sparrow flying in the tree? There's another bird. Which ones were sparrows? Did you just? Well, there's the bird. She's so cute. I could see her little tail. Whoa. Flying around there. Whoa, let's see how the elevator works. And do you see that movie with that? So, that's how the elevator works now. You know? Well, there's a bird in our tree. A bird in our tree. Now I know this is one that has the bird in. Whoa, 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 whoa. The two little birds were not in the other tree. They went in the other tree. I gotta get to them. I never seen them go in trees inside a building. I never see a bird inside a building like this. Inside a mall. Whoa. Whoa, there's a bird. Birds usually only like to go on these things here. Whoa, 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 there's a bird. There's a sparrow. Whoa, there she runs in another tree. Whoa, there goes a bird. Whoa, a bird came up there. Oh gosh, there's the bird. What the?
That I have never felt for myself.
What is that? Oh my gosh.
Hey, bud, what you doing?
Just filming birds here. What is that thing? Whoa, there's a bird.
Listo. Ya, un abrazo, cuídate. Sí, deposito lo más rápido posible. ¿Ya? Gracias, John.
See this? I think tonight Santa Claus is coming in this mall. Does it have any pipe cleaners on it? I think this is top one pipe cleaners.
That side over there, Papa.
Yeah, he got a
That
present.
side. This. That's where you get the Lego stuff. But that looks a little different.
A bird, 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 bird. A bird. Was that what you calling me for? Huh? Because it's the birds?
Okay, so the battery's almost depleted on the phone.
How did you know?
Because I know.
How much batteries does it have?
Let's stop the video and say goodbye to your little phones.
Well, Daddy, I don't know if this is true. Did you see the sign?
The battery? Yeah. So,
Let me see how much this has. It's not saying now. You have that charging thing?
pause it, son. Don't let it just run there on the table.
Like, what is that, Daddy? That. Did you see that thing moving? It's a beagle. I filmed it. One last time for birds, and then I get the phone to you, and then we walk around the mall. Okay? Oh, there's the birds. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.